chap single. Now I will go marry. Na lazy. Yes, chon. Run a kitchen.
You need to permission. This night you got to go.
Okay, la la la.
Lazarus. La. For some of you that does not hear Igbo, what she's saying is that now that she has married, she can be lashing any way she want to lash. She can be lashing anywhere she want to lash. She can lash any. My sister, congratulations on your penis ownership. Oh, go on with the ammo now. I understand your excitement. I understand your happiness. It is not easy. For some of you that are saying that she is disgracing herself, is it your disgrace? Allow the woman to be happy in peace. I know that is not a big deal for some of you girls. And the other one, you have been doing it since. So the wedding night is just like one of those nights now. This girl may be doing it once in a while before marriage, but now she's happy. Allah! And then for some people that are saying that she will get tired of it, that Ola you join Ola for, I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. If you package sex well, it go to hungry you every time. Sex be like beans, food. You know beans. If you are eating beans just like that every time, if you're eating beans, just beans porridge every time, you will get tired of eating beans. But if you only package it into my do it into akala. You can do it with plantain. You can do beans with rice. You can do beans with yam. You can do beans with potato. You will see that you will be, always enjoying that delicacy called sesame beans. My sister, sex is very, very sweet. Don't mind them. But let me digress a little bit. Because I like pointing out some cogent point when I'm talking. Listen to me. As sweet as sex is, as wonderful as sex is in marriage, sexual life in marriage is very, very important. As important as it is, sex is not the most important thing in marriage. You have 24 hours in a day. Let's do mathematics now. Say that you and your husband love it well. And you do it every day. Let's say you do it for 45 minutes. That is the duration of flight from Lagos to Abuja. Okay, let's say that you people are now horsepower. And you do it for 1 hour. Minus 1 hour from 24 hours in a day. You people have 23 hours remaining. How many hours do you sleep in a day? Normal human beings sleep from 6 to 7 hours. Normal human beings. So I'm not talking about Ndiora. No. I'm talking about normal human beings. 6 to 7 hours in a day. Okay. Let's say that you sleep for 8 to 9 hours in a day. Add that 9 hour to that 1 hour of sex. 10 hours. 10 minus 24 hours. You still have 14 hours left. Ask me what you will be doing during that 14 hours with yourselves. Una don't lash, tire. Una don't sleep, wake up. 14 hours remaining. What will you be doing in marriage with every 14 hours of your day? That thing you'll be doing is the most important thing of a marriage. Which is what? Communication. Communication is the most important factor in marriage. There are couples that cannot talk in marriage. They can't even express themselves in marriage. But they can have sex from morning till night. Sex not the solve matter for marriage. Communication does. You have more time to talk to each other than any other thing in marriage. So if you don't have good communication with your partner, you are heading for discussion in marriage. Communication can be talking, body language, eye contact, good body language. That is what you need in marriage. If sex is not working, how do you solve it? Communication. You talk to yourselves about it. If you don't have good communication, how do you tell your partner that you are not enjoying him or her in bed? How do you tell your partner that you want her to be doing instead of How do you tell your man that he should try slapping it, that you like it love, that you're a love lighter? How do you tell your man if you don't have good communication? Communication solves 95% of problems in marriage. Before outsiders hear it, you people have already communicated and solve it. That is why the best sex is the sex that they use to solve the problem after communicating. And when they're in the union sex, but communication is the foundation. Baby, I'm sorry, I don't understand what you meant before. Okay, this is what you mean. Okay, baby, okay. You guys will now have sex and seal it, but communication first. Sex not the solve matter. That is why there's a case of a couple that were seeking for divorce from court. At the process of seeking for that divorce, the man give the woman belly. Because Konji they ask whether are you talking or not. Konji doesn't know whether you are quarreling or not. Okunye. In short, I think that Konji should be one of the natural disasters we have. Konji, you see Konji? Konji should be one of the natural disasters. If they count volcanic eruption, they should count erosion. So then they should count election. You know, they ask you whether you put quarreling. A couple that they are seeking for divorce, the man gave the woman belly. People when they fight to show you that sex don't they solve things in marriage. Communication does. So we should always remember this. The most important thing in marriage is communication. You talk to me, I talk to you. A couple may not talk from morning till night, but for night, here we. The next morning, they will not talk again. Because sex, not the soft things in marriage. Remember what I said? Sex is very wonderful. It's very important. It's very exciting. But communication comes first. That is why you should marry your friend. You get why? Marry somebody that you have. Some couples don't talk. They don't talk. Very boring, irritating. And that is why you cannot stay with the person the whole day. Because nothing to talk. Very boring. Are you okay? I'm okay. Where are you going? I'm coming. Are you back? I'm back. Gee! Baby! You too. Don't be saying that you are not the talking type. You are the introvert. My friend, develop it. What do you mean? It's nothing. Learn how to engage somebody. Learn it. It will disturb you in marriage if you don't. Learn it. As we are learning it, learn how to. That one too is important. So that if they are talking, you know. Enjoy your day, Biko. My sister. Lion on Abania. Continue lalaling. Lalaling Nabania. Lava. God bless you. Don't go love and appreciate you. One love.